Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, the last days of Umkhokha the curse. I swear I'm not happy, but yeah, this is where we are. Let us start ngosibahle. Usibahle izinto are happening, right? Sibusiso has proposed marriage to Usibahle. Then Usibahle wafonela ubani umamakhe. Umamakhe sekafika ngeke kuma high horses, hey angeke ukwazi ukushada noSibusiso. Sibusiso beka fly ngomthanyelo. Hey Sibusiso briga ngwanyana. Briga wena monna ha o shuna na fofa a utswa ditšhelete tsa kereke le moloi o mongwe mogolo hampe, but who's nursing him? This girl. Whether you never had a problem when you left your husband unattended and I had to be the one nursing him to health, and you can see what is looking better, it's because of me. So kulokho ke it means ukuthi nami ngizokwazi ukunakekela uSibusiso and uSibusiso uzokwazi ukunginakekela. Yo guys, ba in love yava ukuthi ngithini akekho umuntu ongaba disturba, angekho umuntu ongabasusa kuyo yonke lento le. But I am honestly genuinely happy for uSibusiso, and I'm genuinely happy that he has changed, and I pray ukuthi even if Umkhokha comes back 10 years from now, he remains a changed and humble man. As much as Umthembu was able to change uZamcolo, and uZamcolo was able to be this man, I believe he can also do it for Usibahle noSibusiso. Umama kaSibahle shem tried to reason noSibahle, ambonisa konke lokho. But uSibahle was like, please allow me to make my own mistakes. Like, this man has changed. This man, you have not seen what he can do. Nan. Wabona ke ukuthi hayi amadondo ukuthi ngithathe lesho kuSibahle blinded by love. You know when women are blinded by love, right? Alande ubani uMazungu. How confront, how are you allowing such a thing to happen under your watch, under your roof, under in uMazungu athi-ke ngikutshele ke brika ke if worried ngokuthi uSibusiso uyathakatha, uSibusiso uyaflya, uSibusiso usindisiwe. Yebo uSibusiso ugeze ngegazi lika Jesu. He has been sanctified and washed away. All his sins are gone. To an extent yokuthi yena nomkhululi the Abozum Badis, he is now the prophet in the church. Hey, as if you don't believe me, go ask Mkhululi yourself. Ha! Amangale ulo ukamadondo. Azathi yo hayi no shuthi vele uSibahle bekaqinisile, but ke athi over and above, just the cherry on top that you did not know. My son is the one that is bathing your husband every day. My son is the one that is making sure that your husband is looking good every day. My son is the one that is doing duties that should have been performed by you and the other two wives. But because you guys were not there, my son is the one that is doing all that. Aishem, she was shocked because she did not know ukuthi that was the position. But I think ukuthi after understanding that position, I am supporter full force. After that consultation, yaga Mazungu no Kamadondo, ahambe uKamadondo ayoqela ke abo bomkhandlu ukuthi bazomsiza bamlekelele kulento, right, bamsupport. Hayi bathi phela le yefamily phela thina kahle kakhulu asingeni kulezi ziso ifamily mele isho ukuthi kwenzakalana. Hayi baqhaqhazeke ukuthi njengoba nimbona hleli kaso ayenze lezi zinto azenzile, akekho umuntu omfunayo ngithi kwasampukani yefamily ayifuni ukuzisondeza phambi kwakhe ngoba lento ayenzile ngomkhululi is shocking. Akekho umuntu nje ofuna ukuba nebhadi, akufuna ukuthi umuntu athelelwe amabhadi njengoba kwenzakala so besinicela ke hayi vele umkhandlo uyele nale, but they end up agreeing with no, we are going to assist because it's something that we have to assist with. Now the question is, will she get married ubabakhe asahlele esitulweni? Ha, asini kumanzimande. And then kube indaba kaManzimande. uManzimande uyabila. Buza ukuthi angisho phakathi kwayo uthathe uMamzobe wamfihla. Wathi fihliyani ugele. Athi waze washo kuMamzobe athi yazini kubhlungu ba isithingthing sendoda because I'm protecting you, and when you had the opportunity to protect our marriage, you chose yourself. uMamzobe bathi a man always chooses themselves. Basho uMamzobe, he's that type of a man in a woman's body. girl, everything can burn down to ashes as long as you're right, a happy naye, akanandaba na anything else. But ke uPhakathayo decided to do that. uManzimande is livid. Manzimande is livid and looking for ulo phakathi komatafula athi biza uGabsile. Angisho seyahlule kubiza uMamZobe. Biza uGabsile, uGabsile will tell me ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hayi Gabsile nowhere to be found. Ha, uManzimande yaspina, uspina njengetopo. uManzimande phela manje ayenza itiya abize abomama bomkhandlu. Ayidiscuss nje labomama basesontweni laba abagqoke isembatho laba abaphathele phambili ngendaba le. Bonke they concluded ukuthi uPhakathayo is under a spell. We all know ukuthi uMamZobe's witchcraft is on another level. As no man in his right mind can do this. And obviously that is true, guys. No man in his right mind would act like uPhakathayo. Like everyone wants to get into the screen and discipline uPhakathayo proper. But okay, because it's a story, guys. It's a story. We must not take it that serious, but I'm taking it that serious. But uloyiwe, ikhemi isebenzile ini but angeke ugcina uMamZobe. Guess ukuthi kuzogcina bani? Kuyogcina uMvelase in flesh. uMabusi ke abe ne breakthrough, guys. Abe ne breakthrough emkhulekweni embhemeni wesinefi ekwenza what all the other cultural rituals that she was supposed to do. A breakthrough came because finally umkhulakhe came to her dreams and asked ukuthi, what is it that you want? She pleaded in the dream to say, I need you to show yourself so that we can whip your body, so that we can end the curse. The curse has finished a lot of family members. At this point, we are always living in fear. And we know ukuthi that is not what you have predestined for us. Please show yourself so that we can do the right thing and ensure ukuthi umkhokha does not repeat itself. Buzak. Aziveze bamthole ba-identify afike la mntana osile athi Sibhamu asathi uthi Sibhamu uyabathusela umphakathi nayi community nayi defending who? Zamcolo. Why? Because uZamcolo prayed for a lot of them who were deaf, they could now hear, who were blind, they could now see, who were barren, they are now pregnant. Like Ugai made sure that he makes all the prayers that make everything turn around. And yes, everything did turn around. That is why they were able to protect him. Sisabheke le protection ukuthi how izinto zihamba kanjani, izinto zipope ahambe abonise the king as well ukuthi this is where the person is. I vele bathi no, you need to do rituals and whatnot. She did all the rituals, guys. They dug. There was a point where they say, Begani, Udisebo, the depression was like, it cannot be Umzimba. Is it him? Is it not him? What's happening? What are we going to see? And it was the body veil. Aishem. They cried. They thanked God. They thanked their father. They thanked Umvelase. They did all the thanksgiving that one could ever think of in that short space of time. Babonga. But unfortunately, the unthinkable had to be done. Uyibuse had to do the unthinkable, and that was the lashing of his father's body. The lashing had to begin. Lash. Aye man, makamkhwipa. Girls, who's feeling the pain? Guess who's feeling the pain? MamZobe is feeling the pain in hiding. Ugel uyahwipwa. Umzimba awudlali. Hwibi kuMamZobe. MamZobe is feeling the pain. Why? MamZobe is the reason why the father had to unalive himself. If MamZobe did not steal all the bags and stuff, umZobe would still be alive. But the reason why umZobe is not alive today is because of uMamZobe's actions. So here's the question. Is MamZobe going to die because of the lashing, or will she just feel the pain and eventually succumb to everything and confess? I don't know, but I'm not ready for Umkhokha the curse to end. 3 days left and it's ending with a bang. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.